Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Elementor website multilingual. First, you need to choose a powerful multilingual plugin. Options like WPML, Polylang, and Translate Press are widely used and offer excellent features. It's crucial to pick one that integrates well with Elementor and provides comprehensive translation management. This foundational step ensures your site can effectively support multiple languages, offering a better experience for a global audience. Once you have selected your plugin, the next step is configuration. Install and activate it on your WordPress dashboard. Then, navigate to the plugin settings to define your default language and add all the additional languages you wish to support. Don't forget to set up a prominent language switcher, perhaps in your header or footer, allowing visitors to easily switch between the available languages on your site. Now it's time to translate your actual content. Your chosen plugin will provide an interface to translate pages, posts, and any custom post types. Many plugins offer direct integration with the Elementor editor, allowing you to visually translate your designs. Carefully go through all your Elementor sections, widgets, and templates to ensure every piece of content is accurately translated into each language you support. To complete your multilingual setup, remember to translate menus, widgets, and any theme-specific strings. Also, implement multilingual SEO strategies, such as using hreflang tags, to help search engines understand your different language versions. Finally, rigorously test your entire website in all supported languages across various devices and browsers to ensure a flawless and consistent user experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.